once again to the wonderful area of management and organizational behavior. You are with Dr. Maharajan on a great knowledge sharing session. Let us proceed further. So before that, let us know what we know about management or organizational behavior. So we may be, some of you may be conversant with organization structure. You might have seen different types of organization structures in different organizations, in your education institutions, or you might have seen in some organizations. You may be wondering, so what is this organization structures are about? And the leadership styles, you might have seen different leaders acting in different styles, and their effectiveness also differs. So team dynamics, how teams operate. So again, within teams, again the communication, the leadership, everything comes here. Conflicts, team building activities, everything comes here. So in this context, can you recall or can you guess what we are going to learn today? So we have 4 topics here, like planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Some of you may be able to recall. These are the actually called the functions of management. Okay. Now, in this context, what we are going to discuss today, actually, try to guess. So, we are going to see some real life cases in caselets in management, like startups. How startups are becoming successful. We will see how is the story of how a small startups they achieve significant growth. Many small things started, like Google started very small, Microsoft started very small. So how they have grown up to this level? Because of management, the power of management. And there is something like turnaround management. How the companies, corporations, businesses which are loss making, which are not viable otherwise, economically viable, they turned around and again they have become a profitable companies. So some of the case studies you can see, even the Indian Railways is a wonderful case study in this aspect. So that is again because of management organization change. Then how a company is innovating and implementing new products or service through effective management practices. Again, there are many case studies in these aspects. How a company is transformed itself. Okay, you might have, if you look around, you will find very new products in this sense. Now, in this context, we'll see what are the characteristics of effective management. So that's the main topic today. So, how for an effective manager, what are the key characteristics? First is visionary leadership. So the manager or the management, through management, we should be able to see us set strong and clear goals. That means we should be able to think in a very long term and across the organizational limits. So that is the vision, setting clear goals and inspiring others to achieve their goals. That is the visionary leadership. It is the essence of management. Then again, once we set the clear goals and what we call vision and mission, then it is very much important that we communicate it to the relevant stakeholders. Otherwise, it is going to just remain on paper or one's mind only. So effectively communicating ideas, okay, and information and getting the feedback. It is strong communication that is again the important one of the characteristics of management and managers, right? Then next, when we are going to implement our vision and mission, then we need to make many key decisions. So a manager or management deals with decision making skills, making informed decisions, informed choices. Nowadays we can take the help of the artificial intelligence also, data driven decision making we call it. So we can take aid of that one, but ultimate decisions are based on the manager or management. Okay, and again our judgment also plays a point. Then in the process of management, we are bound to encounter many problems actually. So how to solve these problems? So identifying and solving the issues in a timely manner, that's again another effective characteristic of management. So 4 things: visionary leadership, strong communication, decision making skills, and problem solving ability. activities. Further, how to apply the principles, where they are applied. So planning is applied in developing strategies, setting objectives, allocating resources, and organizing is deals with creating a structure, assigning the roles of people, and coordinating the activities, and this motivating, inspiring, and guiding individuals. They are actually come under leading, and the controlling deals with monitoring the progress and evaluating the performance and taking corrective actions. So again, what are the challenges and best practices? Challenges is managing change. So we need to communicate effectively and provide support. To build high performance teams, we need to have collaboration, clear roles, and open communications, and ethics. That is very important. Ethical decision making. So yes, we need to establish clear ethical guidelines and what are their priorities. So let us test your understanding. Apply your knowledge to real world management scenarios. Try to look around and try to find the applications of management. So test your ability to think critically and make decisions under pressure. That's again very, very important. And we need to receive instant feedback on your answers and identify areas for improvement. That's again very important. Do it yourself, all these things. Okay. Now, what are the key summary and takeaways from this session, this video? So the purpose of management you've seen. Purpose of management is essentially to achieve organizational goals through planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Then what are the characteristics of effective management? It is visionary leadership, strong communication, decision-making skills, and problem-solving abilities. Again, management principles deal with planning, organizing, leading, we already know. So what are the challenges? Addressing challenges like managing change and building high-performance teams. So those who are interested can refer to all these books and these Harvard Business Reviews also, so that you become more knowledgeable to take on the challenges of present-day management. So we are with Dr. Maharajan. Watch out for more videos. For now,